The honest truth and the bitter truth that people don't want to hear will definitely be exposed. So make sure to subscribe if this happens to be your first time on this YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that when I upload my next video you will be notified and you will be the first to come and watch it. Now, Shaccarri Richardson was not performing in 2022, but what happened this year? Why was Shaccarri suddenly performing so much that she was able to beat a lot of Jamaican sprinters this year? What was different? Why is she no longer the Sha'Carri we knew in 2022 that will beat her chest, come to social media, make noise, and at the end she end up not performing? Why is she performing this year? What is different about her? In this video, you will know everything because we are going to be exposing everything about Sha'Carri that she did that make her so fast in 2023, because we all know that Sha'Carri in 2022 she was very poor in performance. Like, she would just come to social media, make noise, then she will end up not performing. In fact, there was a race Sha'Carri came last after blabbling about going to beat the Jamaicans. At the end of the race, Sha'Carri came last. So what happened this year? Sha'Carri, as you can see, Sha'Carri this year is so different. She is running so fast, and we will be exposing the secret. As I am talking to you right now through this video, there are groups in social media. A lot of great track fans are doubting Sha'Carri victory in most of the races in 2023. A lot of track fans are suggesting that Sha'Carri might be on drugs. Yes, her haters, her enemies, her naysayers are the ones saying this. People who don't like Sha'Carri, people who hate her, people who don't want to see her succeed, people who want to see Sha'Carri disqualified before Budapest, they are the ones always suggesting, always thinking that Sha'Carri might be on drugs. But let me jog your memory and let me shock you this time around, because the God of Sha'Carri has finally answered her prayer. Do you guys remember that in NNCA, Sha'Carri ran a blazing time of 10.722? That was when she announced herself as a very talented athlete. Sha'Carri in the whole history of her career has never been tested positive for any drug test. She has never failed any drug test. Sha'Carri is a very pure athlete who is very pure and honest when it comes to drugs. She do not partake in that because she is very talented, and from the way she runs, we can all testify that Sha'Carri is very talented. Let's not also forget that Sha'Carri last year, she was not performing, things were not performing for her. Sha'Carri has faced a lot of traumas and mental health issues. Rather, and yet Sha'Carri decided to believe in herself, have faith in herself. Like, not everybody in this life can be so bold as Sha'Carri is. Like, if I was Sha'Carri, then depression could have killed me long ago, because imagine the kind of character she's exhibiting, because she's a very popular athlete and everybody was expecting Sha'Carri to kind of qualify for Oregon last year, but it didn't happen. Remember, if you are in Sha'Carri's shoes, how will you feel? Like, you are very popular in the world and you end up not performing for a very big major event. Like, depression will almost kill you. But Sha'Carri told herself that Sha'Carri believed that it is all about time, and that was why she was patient. And this is her time. 2023, I believe, is belongs to Sha'Carri, and I believe she's going to shock us in Budapest. As for the main title of this video, Sha'Carri is not in any drugs. I repeat, she is not in any drug. It's hard work. The truth is, hard work has finally changed Sha'Carri, because she is no longer the Sha'Carri we used to know. She has explained the reason for offing off her wig when she wanted to run. She said that she is still that girl, but she is better. She is still that girl, but she is different. She is a different Sha'Carri, and hard work, perseverance, patience, time has been able to make Sha'Carri who she is today. So please stop being jealous on Sha'Carri, okay? Stop calling her, stop trolling her, stop lying against her, okay? Please, please make sure to subscribe.